Hey guys, how are we doing today? Welcome to Vadu TV. This is Jay Sahasrapati and today we are going to be discussing NFTs. Now, NFT is all the rage in the world right now. You will see news of people either loving NFTs or people really disliking NFTs. But what is NFT? NFT basically means a non-fungible token. Now, what is a non-fungible token? Here, you cannot exchange this token for something. What's more is this token is based on the blockchain technology. That means there are multiple people making a record or a note of the ownership of this token, right? Now, to access this, you do have to have an online wallet uh, plugin on your browser to ensure that you can acquire that token. Also, something related to this token is these tokens usually are auctioned or mined. Mining is basically something like cryptocurrency mining. We'll be talking more about it in depth in an upcoming video, so make sure that you do subscribe to the channel for the same. So when you talk about NFTs, now we've understood what is a fungible and a non-fungible token. What if you take part in acquiring a said NFT, right? So normally when you go to an auction and if you do not buy something, you don't pay anything, right? Except for maybe an entry fee. Here what happens is, no matter whether you buy something or don't buy something, you have to pay a fee for mining. Yes. So you have to pay mining fees. So you have to pay mining fees if you do not get anything, right? So you will be losing money there. Also, the prices right now for NFTs from famous people are extremely exorbitant. It is extremely untrue, and to a certain degree, there is a bubble in that market. Now, it is a new thing. It's a it's an in thing. It's the buzzword of the tech world. So yes, the prices will be high, but is it worth it? Now, this is a question that is, well, a question mark. See, it is a non-fungible token. It is virtual. You are not getting anything at your place. Now, how useful is digital art, digital land? We're talking about the metaverse today, and for those of you who do not know metaverse, a video for the same will also be coming on this channel. So make sure once again you subscribe to the channel, and if you have subscribed, press that thumbs up. So we're coming to the place called metaverse, where these team meetings or conferences are going to take place online, and at these times these digital lands and digital art will be useful. But for now, is it useful? Let's say you're a collector of rare things. Should you collect NFTs? Well, yeah and no. If you want to hang something in your home, investing in NFTs is useless. But if you're someone who's looking at future, because let's be honest, whether you like NFTs, whether you don't like NFTs, they are here to say this is something that's going to become mainstream very soon. So make sure that you're ready for the future, but don't get carried away. So talking about NFTs, and I've told you most of the things related to NFTs that you need to know. But can you mine them yourself? The answer is yes, right? You can become a creator and sell your work as NFTs, and that has happened. It's not a new thing. But are there risks involved when you're talking about NFTs, blockchain, all of these things, right? So let's not talk about a lot of stuff right now, because if we start getting into it, this video is going to be way longer than it already is. What is going to happen is basically you're going to pay mining fees, you will have an NFT, it's all digital and it is stored in secure wallet. But how secure is that wallet? Today what we've started observing was this very secure blockchain technology is having some leaks in its pipeline, right? There have been a lot of cases of digital theft, and it's not a new thing. Digital theft has been in existence for a very long time. Now it just costs more. So when you're buying, selling NFTs, when you're doing all of this, make sure that your servers are secure, the computer that you access all of this from is secure. And yes, we will be talking about security and blockchain in more detail very soon. But for now, make sure that you do not let loose when you are paying money for a non-fungible token, because that token is purely digital, and any mistake on that part would basically mean you losing money. I hope that the whole idea of an NFT is clear. This was a very layman term explanation of NFTs. So if you did like it, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you give a thumbs up, and thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year.